Some of us feel like the fall leaves. We feel as though we have fallen far. But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. For He who created us will carry us through. He who created us will provide a gentle and safe landing. And He will put us in the stream of His presence and guide us and position us. By His strength, He will carry us through and take us to exactly where we need to be. A place of beauty and refreshment, and a place full of life and color. Let the glory of the Lord fill you. For your Creator makes no mistakes.